When any marketer starts setting up the follow-up campaign, the biggest concern in his mind is how much time-consuming and difficult the setup process is, and to get rid of this dilemma, we at FlowUp come up with a solution called Quick Start Campaign. Let's take a look at a quick campaign setup. To get started for your first campaign, go to Campaign and click on Create Campaign. This will take you to create a campaign page. You will see a panel on the left-hand side where you need to fill out details for your campaign. Give your campaign a name in the first field, campaign name. Just below that, you can see your current balance and an option to add credits with a plus sign. This will give you payment options to refill your account with a credit card or PayPal. You need to manage the credits as for the process of purchasing caller ID numbers and 10 DLC registration. You must have credit balance in your account. Right below that we have campaign time, which decides when your campaign should be active. Click on Create New in blue, and you will have a Create Campaign Time panel on the left through which you can create a campaign time, or you can select the default campaign time from the drop-down. Next is to upload contact list or a CSV file for your campaign. Here, you can upload and assign a list to your campaign. To upload a new list, click on Create New, and you will have to go through the steps to create and upload a list in a CSV file. For now, we will select a list that we have already created. After you will select the list, it will give you a count right below the drop-down for the LEDs present in selected list. After that, you have an option to schedule campaign in advance with time zone and date and time. And the last but not the least is to select strategy type for your campaign, like outbound or inbound. Going further in it, you need to select a follow-up strategy for your campaign. Here, you have to select Create Strategy to design a new strategy, or use existing campaign strategy to select a strategy from your existing campaign, or use Template to select a predefined ready-to-use templates designed by us. Let's continue with Create Strategy as of now, and you will have a whiteboard to design your strategy. Now you have to click on plus sign under Start, and it will give you list of channels or medium for your first outreach. For example, select Send SMS for now, and you will have a panel on the right side of your screen. Here, select or assign a number and message template, and click on Save button. As a next step, we have to add a delay to give some breathing space between two follow-ups. To add delay, click on plus sign under Success, select Delay and enter delay you need in hours or day, and click on Save. Minimum delay you need is 1 hour. Once done with that, click again on plus sign under Success for delay and select another channel, for example Send Announcement as of now, and configure it on the panel on right side by selecting Number, a prompt file, and also a file to drop voicemail for answering machine calls, and then click on Save. Now to make sure we have entered all the required fields, you have to click on Validate Flow in green on top right-hand side of the page, and it will show a green tick mark if we have entered all the field, or an error for the file that needs to be checked. Post-validation of strategy, you will get an option to test each nodes for the strategy. You will have to click on Test, and it will give you option to send a test to any phone number. Once everything seems good to you, you have your campaign ready to rock. Keep doing follow-ups.